Oh, that looks really nice. Hello. So today I'm going to be cooking a veggie bake. Capsicum, asparagus, carrot, couple of spuds, onion, broccoli, cauliflower, butternut pumpkin, and frozen peas and corn. And be putting these cheesy cauliflower mix in it, cheesy bacon, 3 cheese in it, and baking it in the air fryer. I've cooked this before, but only in the oven, so we'll see how it goes in the air fryer. I'm gonna cook the veggie bake in this aluminium tray. Yeah, so I'll start cutting everything up, putting it in the tray. There we go. Now I'll just clean all this up and start mixing all this. I'll mix them all together. Cheese and bacon, potato bake. Oh no, probably shouldn't have the bacon in there. It's for vegetarians. Bad luck. We'll put it in anyway. You don't need to put it in, you can leave it out. Cheesy cauliflower. And 3 cheese. Put some milk in there. Pour that in. We'll cover it with foil because it's going to take a while to cook. You don't want the top burning. Cover her up. And then later on, we'll take the lid off, put some cheese on there, put it in. Put it in there. It's going to take a while to cook. So go 20 minutes at 180 and we'll see how we go. Let's have a look. I've still got a long way to go. Alright, we'll go 30 minutes at 190 and hopefully it'll be nearly done. but it's going to take a little bit of cooking, this one. Righto, let's have another look. I think we'll put them in a bit longer. Leave them covered up. Go another half hour. 30 minutes. At 190. And we'll check it later. I'm going to check it. Still got a minute or so to go. I think it's just about done. We'll take all this off. Cheese on it on the top, and we'll put it in a little bit longer. We'll go 10 minutes at 190. All right, let's have a look. Oh, that looks really nice. It's going to be hot. Oh, that's not bad. There we go. Let's try it. That's really nice. I like that. That's so tasty. All right, see you in the next one.